Today I have an exciting video on how to make money from the comfort of your home using a fantastic website, how you can make a minimum of $100 per day. And let's get right into today's business. Hey besties, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can make a minimum of $100 per day. And let's get right into today's business. Have you heard of Try My UI? Yes, it's now called trymeta.com. Yes, so guys, I already told you that here we are making money. Today I have an exciting video on how to make money from the comfort of your home using a fantastic website or platform called Try My UI. If you're ready to turn your opinions into cash, stick around because we're about to dive into the details, and I'll be showing you step by step how to apply. Stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. And just so you know, I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the very end. Yes, so in case you're wondering what is Try My UI, it is a user testing platform that pays you to test websites and provide valuable feedback. Companies want to know what users like you think about their websites, and they are willing to pay for your insights. In other words, trymyui.com is a remote usability testing platform that offers affordable cross-platform services for testing and improving the user experience. The product allows you to watch videos of real people using your website or app to see where and why users leave or abandon carts. Getting started with Try My UI is a breeze, so go ahead, head over to their website and create a profile. Be sure to fill out your demographic information correctly so that it can help match with relevant tests. People in your target audience provide narrated video feedback and written survey responses. The product includes a mix of qualitative and quantitative tools to help product teams quickly collect and analyze user testing products, results, and share their findings. Do you know that you can use live websites? Yes. Mobile devices. So yes, trymyui.com can test live websites. You can, help them review live websites. You can help them review mobile websites, yes, on Android and iOS. You can help them review mobile apps on Android and iOS. You can help them review beta sites, yes, so sites that are still in the beta mode. You can help them to review or lo-fi prototypes. You can also help them review Android APKs. You can review first impression testing. You can also review competitors' websites. So here is how to qualify for tests. Once your profile is set, keep an eye on your email or the Try My UI dashboard for available tests. Now, some tests may have specific qualifications, so make sure that you check your eligibility, because the more tests that you qualify for, the more money that you can make. And here is how to take the test. When you're ready to take a test, follow the instructions carefully. You'll be given tasks to perform on the website, and it is crucial to speak your thoughts out loud as you go through the process. Companies love hearing your honest feedback. And here is the payment and reward part. This is the moment we all have been waiting for. Yes, getting paid. Yes, so Try My UI can pay you up to $100, yes, in a test. And payments are made through PayPal. Payments are made through PayPal every Friday. It's a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your home. Guys, there you have it, a simple guide on how to make money online with Try My UI. It is a fun and straightforward way to share your thoughts while putting some money in your pocket. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money making tips, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a golden opportunity online. Now guys, I have a bonus tip for you. Yes, I'm sure you'll be wondering, really, is this the end? No, this is my bonus tip. Do you know that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home using your local community? Yes, a lot of times we are online looking for clients, online looking for ways to make money. Yes, it's still online, but I'm going to teach you something no one is really talking about. And this is one way by which I'm able to rake in clients day in, day out, every single day. Now you have a local community of neighbors, not just your immediate neighbors, but people in your county. So if you have 100,000 people in your county and you're able to target just 1% of them, which is 1,000 people, hey, hello, you are in money. Yes, you are in money. If you have 100,000 people in your local county, your neighborhood, and you're able to target, if it's 10% that you're able to get, you're in money, 10,000 clients. But I mean, just 1,000 clients is more than enough for me. And you get on a monthly basis. So that way, so even if you get just 5%, which is 500 people, 5% of the market share in your local neighborhood is something that you shouldn't joke with. So guys, have you heard of this app called Nextdoor.com? Nextdoor did not pay me for this ad. I'm just telling you something that has worked for me and it's still working for me, and that's why I'm sharing with you guys here. Have you heard of nextdoor.com? Go ahead and download the app, or you can just go to their website. It's an app and it's also a website, nextdoor.com. All you need to do is this: set up your profile, join groups, or even create groups. And yes, when you do that, then you can share the things that you do every single time. Just introduce yourself every time you want to post something. Don't assume people know you. Hello, you're not Beyonce, so don't assume that anybody knows you. So go on nextdoor.com, post. You can post every day. Yes, you can post, but please, when you're posting, don't set up a personal profile. Set up a business profile. Yes, set up a business profile. But one thing you should never do on Nextdoor is never ever run ads on Never run ads. It is useless. You're going to be wasting your money when you run ads on Nextdoor. It is so useless. In fact, you get more reach organically on Nextdoor than when you pay for ads. So this is what you need to do. Go to nextdoor.com, introduce yourself. You tell them, hi everyone, good morning, beautiful neighbors. Yes, hi beautiful neighbors, or hello beautiful neighbors. My name is so and so. I provide X and Y services. You can reach me through this email or through this email address, or send me a DM, or call me or text me. Make sure that you always let them know how they can reach you. You can get about any kind of service: tutoring, dog walking, sewing, anything at all. I'm telling you, go on nextdoor.com. You'll be surprised. Your neighbors need your services. They probably drive miles away to get that service done, but now that they know that it's local, they can find someone local to do it for them. Hello, you can make good money. Use nextdoor.com to your advantage, and like I said, try to post consistently so that people remember you and people know you. When you post consistently, people can reach out to you and they trust you. And once you start having neighbors as your clients, one person will tell the other person will tell and that's how you get that waterfall effect. You get more referrals, and word of mouth referrals is so key. You can also offer incentives to them. Give them a percentage, give them a referral fee. Yeah, whenever they refer a client, they get a percentage. You just transfer the money to their bank account, and that is it, guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. This is working for me. That has worked for me, and it is still working for me, and I see a lot of people are not using that opportunity. Okay, but you guys are my people now. I have to put you guys on. I have to put you guys on in all of these amazing opportunities. And that is it, guys, for today. Don't hesitate to leave a question if you have any question for me. And that is it, guys. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you amazing ways to make money that no one is willing to share. No one is even talking about it. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me. And yes, I have a giveaway in today's video. This is how to enter for my giveaway. We have launched our Telegram community. Please go ahead and add your friends. Yes, add 50 people. But this is how to actually meet your targets of adding 50 people. All you need to do is this: add 500 of your friends, 500 to 1,000 of your friends to my Telegram community. Once you do that, guess what? You are able to at least get 10% of them to join my Telegram community. So don't just go dump in my link. Find the link to my Telegram community in my description as well as in my comments. Don't just dump the link to your people. Tell them why they should join my Telegram channel. Yes, tell them I share a lot of money-making opportunities, resources for free in my Telegram group, and I also do giveaways from time to time. So add them. Yes, they will be willing. If you're a student in the university, you have lots of people, students, you have their email address, just invite them to join my Telegram community. And that is it, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to let me know. Thank you to all my Patreon members. I see you guys, and I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. Yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you want to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you're now part of the inner circle. You have direct and full access to me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. And that is it for today, guys. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now. Love you all.